Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to password protect any file without using third-party app in Samsung smartphones running One UI. So without further delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Samsung home screen. So firstly just open the My Files application and let us go to the internal storage. So say I have one file here, just to give you an example. So let me try to open it. So now you can see it's a image file. So in order to password protect this respective file, what you need to do is just select this file, and now you will see here one option written more. Just click on it. Now you will see here one option compress. Just click on it. Now you can give any name, whichever name you want to give. So I'll just keep it as file again and select zip or 7-zip, whichever you like. So I'll just keep it as zip file. And now just below to it, you can see here one option written protect with a password. So just enable it. Now you can add any password, and once you have set the password, click on compress. So now you can see here we have one new file with the extension .zip. Now you can delete the original file. And now let us try to open this .zip file. Let's click on extract. Now you can see here it's asking a password. So in order to extract or open this file, you need to put the password. So now we have finally extracted. Now we can open the file. So by using this method, you can easily password protect any file without using third-party app in Samsung smartphones running One UI very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.